Hello, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 14 by 14 inch canvas, some Prism Pour paints, Chantilly lace being my basic middle color, my middle base. I am going to take a second and let that flow a little bit. I have Maiden black paint on my edges and I'm going to use it on the rest of my canvas. I did add a little bit, my paint pouring recipes underneath the video, including for the Prism Pours, and I did add a little bit of water because this Chantilly lace had gotten kind of thick. And I do want a nice copious layer. I don't want quite as much of the Maiden black paint. And I'm going to use my Good Grips OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula to give myself a layer of paint down below. Looks like it's going to meld with the Chantilly lace in a second. I'm going to put some Mayan gold down next, if all goes well. And then I'm going to try and make a swipe that is dominantly with the color Frozen and a few friends. I might put some other colors down first from the squeeze bottles, but I've taken the cap off of my Frozen. And I'm going to take a straw. When the Chantilly lace is not as thick as this, it doesn't really show up, which is okay with me because it's a good conveyance from the bottom. But when it is as thick as this, I get some beautiful cells. I guess I'm not going to try and mess with that. Okay, so let's take my Mayan gold. And what did I want to add? A little bit of Water Dragon. Little being a relative term. A little bit of Blue Velvet. I don't know what those are going to look like, but it doesn't really matter to me. I do need to have enough paint so that I can swipe down. And I might tip. I keep threatening to tip and not doing it. So this is going to fill in any place. This is frosted. I'm tempted to add the black iris, but I don't need it. That is an extravagant pour for me. So now, I put the top back on. Move a few bottles out of my way. Grab my OXO omelet turning flip and fold Good Grip spatula and decide that black is going to be my color. Oh, is it going to be white? Maybe it's going to be white. Let's try white. From both directions and scrape. I want to do purple, but I'm going to restrain myself. I suppose if I really wanted to do purple, I could go back. I'm going to use some gold this time. I'm missing the purple. I'm also missing the black. I'm going to use a little black. I like the black. I keep thinking I'll be able to save some of the the negative space, but it's not working out that way. I did just steal some paint from one place and put it in another. I still did want a tip. Okay, so right here, right now, what do? Can't be purple. I could put a little bit of medium black in there. And I never did put any purple in there. Nope, don't do it. Gotta keep it. I could have used some Northern Sky in this. That would have been nice. I didn't even think of that. It's a similar color, just not as bright. And it has iridescence to it. Let's go all three. Okay, I have quite a few cells there. I'm really thinking it's my moment to tip if I'm going to do it. Usually what I do is run a spatula through, but I can do that afterwards. You know what? I'm going to take some more cell activator. I go right down here. Take my colors that I scraped off, put them right in there. Am I happy? I am actually pretty happy. I thought I would be. I thought I would need another color, and it would be nice. It would be nice, no doubt about it, to put some pink diamond in, or some purple, or something else. It's rather dramatic, actually. Steal a little bit of paint. Very delicate procedure stealing paint when it's color art. Don't need that white mark. Alright, reminds me of Blue Barn Board. It's going to be beautiful tomorrow, though, I can tell you now. A little more blowing, maybe. Nice cells and textures. Alright, let me try and zoom in. If I can assume I'm done. You know what? I just had to try that. I don't even know if it'll last or not. But let me shimmer at you. Or attempt to anyway. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. More blue velvet next time and some northern sky. And I might even go with some silver. If I move a few bottles out of the way, I might even be able to spin this. Beautiful. Reminds me of the ocean in extreme. I want to lift that up to show you the sparkles, but I'm never exactly 100% sure. Black in there won't hurt anybody. Yeah, no, I like this. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. When you watch them longer, you help me out. Your comments keep my morale boosted. I so appreciate them. Thank you very much. Don't mind if I do. I've got paint over there beside me, languishing. Use me, use me. And you could always use a little tool, although I really don't think I need it. Alright, so there is a monthly drawing, and if you want to participate, a donation from PayPal, whose icon is on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, will get you an invitation. Wow. That's pretty beautiful. And getting more beautiful by the moment. The black and white and purple and gold all have Australian Floetrol included into the mixtures, and my paint pouring recipes will be below the video. My link tree is below the 20% off coupon from Colour Arte. These are Prism Pours, all of them, with the exception of the black. I want to thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you so much. My Amazon link is on the link tree, and it has my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. They are the first and second 100 videos I made for YouTube, all the processes and all the paints and all the tools. On my link tree you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Le Gallerist, it's clothing made in Montreal with my designs on it. It's investment quality and worth checking out. Society 6 is the bomb, even just to look for fun. I love the credenzas. My link tree has my email address below it. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork, and should you want to contact me via my email address, it is EASPB and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. There are over 2,400 videos, and if you have an interest in watching any of them, and you can't find them by going to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, just ask me, because I have them all organized by topic and genre and the 100. I love you guys dearly. I'm going to add a little bit of paint that fell off where it dripped over, and call it a night. It's a bonfire night. All right, you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.